Okay, sir, moving forward, I would like to ask what is the stand of India in international relationship or in the international system? Where is it going and where does it came from? And what do you think, in your perspective as well, what could be the right step in the international relationship by India?
Okay, so in a very good question,
Okay.
and I think, as you know also, that India is known as a peace-loving country, and India is also known as a responsible country. You know that wherever there has been any crisis, whether it is man-made disasters, whether it is military conflict in Palestine, India has been always at the forefront to send the aids, right? So India is concerned about the humanitarian issues. India is concerned about security issues. That is why you might know that India is one of the largest contributor in United Nations peacekeeping forces. So the best thing about India's position in international relations or India's foreign policy is, as I always say, that India is not such a country which is concerned about its own interest.
Okay.
India is concerned, as India has to be concerned about its national interest. At the same time, India is concerned about the interest of others. India is concerned if there is any conflict, even in Pakistan. You know that there has been instances. Even when there was natural calamities in Pakistan, India has sent the relief materials. Right? In maintaining the security situation in the some South African countries, India is sending its soldiers, peacekeeping forces. And see, Indian soldiers are sacrificing their lives for maintaining peace, security, and stability in other countries. And in addition to whatever India is doing, India's principle has been very much clear. India wants a democratic international order. India wants a secure, peaceful international order. India preaches that, and I think India practices also. So as far as international relation or India's position in international relation is concerned, India's position is very much in favor of international peace, security, stability, India's responsibility towards the other countries that also India has been fulfilling.